What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. Thank you for joining. Thank you for finding the channel however you found it. So we are on a small family vacation and we came to the coast. So you guys can see the house right there, and we are literally like right on the ocean, except we're a little bit higher. So right now it's gonna be a short clip how we got here, because I think the Pacific Northwest is pretty beautiful. The roads were really nice. The weather is fantastic. So take a look. Welcome back. Short clip for you guys, but hopefully you enjoyed it. So we're gonna walk right here and I'm gonna show you guys. That's a pretty steep drop over here, but just look at that. This is so beautiful. There's gonna be some killer sunsets and sunrises. Wow. There's the rental property. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what's up. All right. Well.
Ребенок, ему надо все открывать. Сереж, ты мне должен $5.
Ну,
Я комнату выбрала большую.
Nice. I love these windows. Man, this is a good view. There's the kitchen. Excuse the noise and chatter. So as soon as I pulled up, I got out of the car and I got a phone call that basically the housekeeper cleaner person didn't show up today. I'm gonna step out for a moment. And the manager of the property says she's been trying to reach her all morning and no luck. So there's another housekeeper that's gonna show up in like 15 minutes. Oh, this is nice. And they're gonna clean up the house a little bit because it wasn't ready for us. But she was very nice about it, and I hope nothing happened to the house cleaner lady that usually does it. But we're gonna go back into the house. I'll show you guys the rest of it because I haven't seen it yet. And we'll see how dirty it is, but if it is, excuse me, it's not our fault. The house cleaner just didn't show up. I'm assuming this will be the master. Nice standing shower, laundry room. This is why I think it's the master. Nope, this isn't the master. But man, this is some high ceilings. This is nice. And the bed looks really big. Mattress seems good too. Guys, we're gonna go down first. Oh, there's the exit. There we are. I feel like this is a really nice house for the money we paid for it. Nice garage, although I hear you can't open it. If I'd have something like this at home, I'd be very happy. Going back up. Me too. 3-story home. Looks like an IKEA. Wall art. This is my wife. Another bathroom. Nothing too interesting there. Master bedroom. Guys, look at this view. Oh, this is gorgeous. If you guys don't know this, I'm a huge sucker for sunsets and sunrises. I think if there's one thing in life that I would be super happy to always have is a very nice sunrise and a very nice sunset. To me, the fuzzy heart. What's up? Okay, so here's the third room, and this carpet's hard. It's like everything's super soft. This is the hard one. Beautiful view. So peaceful. Okay, back to the master bedroom because there's a lot of people here. Here's the master bathroom. Shower, bathroom. Odd that there's no door. It's a little weird to me. I guess you could lock the main door. But guys, this view. This is so gorgeous. Here we are. We're gonna get settled in, start taking our stuff in from the car, and we will see what's gonna happen here. Check out this sunset. Ready? Look at that. Hey, princess.
Hi. Tam ona chce kupаться.
Da. Just look at that. Told you guys, I'm a huge sucker for sunsets. Actually gonna jump in the hot tub, if you could see it behind me, and watch the sunset. This is so beautiful. I'm loving this. What's up, guys? I didn't really take any videos of yesterday, kind of just took it easy, played some board games, got settled in, and then essentially went to bed. We already woke up. I'm about to eat breakfast and I'm gonna shower, and we're gonna start our day. It should be great fun. Just look at that view behind me. Look at how gorgeous that is. I'm gonna try to go to those rocks over there you guys see in the distance. Man, this would be a steep fall. So I think we're actually gonna drive. I wonder if a car is allowed to go onto the beach. Huh. Okay, let's go. Let's get going. Guys, just check out this view. It's so beautiful. It's like we're kind of enclosed in trees, but then the beach is just right there. very pleased with this house. Someone coming out. I know the struggle, although my truck isn't that big. This is the beautiful West Coast. Water is going to be cold. I can guarantee you that. But surprisingly, it feels rather warm out today. I'm just in a hoodie. Our house is somewhere up there. It'd be really awesome to have a quad here right now. Slightly miscalculated. Reason being is, remember I showed you guys we want to go to those rocks that are kind of off in the distance by the house? Well, we drove further away from them to park because we're so high up on a hill that we wouldn't be able to get down. And now the rocks are like somewhere all the way back there. And I feel like it's quite a walk to get there. Really want to go there, but I don't know if we will. We decided to go to the rocks that we saw from the house, and we are rather close. Because we figured the exercise and the fresh air, it will not hurt. Looks like the tide is possibly coming in. Let's go a little bit further in and closer to the water. Just look at this. The layers. This isn't necessarily my type of thing, but this is beautiful. Wow, look at that. Really hope I don't fall or slip on the wet rocks. If this water was warm, I would totally jump in. The beautiful Pacific Northwest, right behind me. This is so wonderful. I'm so happy it's not raining while we're here. The sun is right behind me. Us. So we're gonna try to do it sideways. We are heading back. More or less kind of explored this area. It's very nice and it's very warm out here. And I feel like we're gonna get a slight tan. And then I think we're gonna head out into the town, right?
I think so.
That was a fantastic walk. Someone isn't buckled in. So we're heading back to the house right now. We're gonna, I think, eat and then probably go out into the city. Maybe get some nice ice cream or something like that. But very happy with the walk. This weather is so perfect. It's so beautiful here. And here we are at the house. We went into town. Like super quick trip. So I don't know if we'll be going back there today or not. We just got out of the hot tub. I think we're gonna go have some sweets, some tea and then see what's gonna happen. But thus far, man, this trip has been so amazing. I think the weather has been absolutely fantastic. If you guys could see the view behind me right there. Maybe not with me sitting that way, but oh, it's so beautiful here. I love it. Good morning, guys. Today's our last day, as in we're leaving the house in like 2 hours. So we started to pack. I don't know if you'll be able to see the mess behind me. But then we're gonna have breakfast and probably do something in the town before we head home. So far, it's been a fantastic trip. This view is, it's gorgeous. And the weather has been amazing, so this has been a daily view. Came to some kind of park, like a mile, maybe 2 miles away from the house, and it's not bad, but not as nice as where we were. Actually, I see some kind of pier over there with a lot of people, so that might be worth going to. But it seems like a slightly lengthy walk. I'm gonna go slightly off track. Doggies over there. We are finishing up our trip. Stopped by the outlets here in Lincoln City. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The goal was to kind of show you guys the beautiful Pacific Northwest. The weather, I think, was phenomenal, and the views were pretty darn awesome from the house. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, stick around for more. I'm definitely going to be taking a lot more videos. Subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you for your support. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video.